Hello everyone, welcome again to Udonthani Easy Learning in the line of Easy Tour นะคะ What's the tour of us today is I'm gonna bring you to have a drive tour at evening charm in Udonthani นะคะ Right now the charm is about 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. and people going around to get back home and to grab for their dinner. Okay, let's go. I'm driving it into the city right now. We have many color street light pole all around. The first place that we are heading to is the entrance main street of Udonthani. And we will see the roundabout of กรมหลวงประจักษ์ Park, who is the one who built and found Udonthani city. roundabout that we meet is กรมหลวงประจักษ์ roundabout นะคะ the main entrance of Udonthani The evening time is maybe a little bit crowded car on the road, so I have to be careful, especially when we drive in the roundabout area. This is the second roundabout. This is the big fountain roundabout. But I am very sorry. Usually they're gonna have the light all around the roundabout, around the fountains, and the color gonna change like every time. And would be many colors like the rainbow color, but today maybe it's time up for the fountain light at 7 p.m. so I cannot show you that one, but don't worry, for the next time, next trip, maybe I can show you. The market, the night market, or the food market called ตลาด5 แยกนะคะ Along the street on the left side and the right side we have many food stalls all around. Traffic jam because people are hungry. You see at front one roundabout, the third one roundabout of Udonthani we call like the Big Ben, we have the big cock of the city in this roundabout. I drive around for you. It's like the clock tower, actually, the clock tower. Spot that I'm driving you to is Central Plaza of Udonthani. Main shopping place of Udon people and also the tourists. Thailand and also foreigners. Right here is the biggest intersection that we have in Udonthani. We have about 5 streets all around for this traffic light. The local people call this traffic light like ห้าแยกวุ่นวาย something like this. Because we have 5 streets that meet one another in this traffic light. I'm gonna drop you off at Central Plaza Department Store, and I hope to see you again next time with the channel of Tr8 Easy Learning in the line of Easy Tour. Thank you very much everyone for watching my channel. Hope you like, you can share, you can comment, or you can subscribe if you like it. Have a good evening and a good night. Bye.